What's up guys, Trey here with AmericanMuscle.com, and today we're taking a look at this Speedform Mach 1 style grill delete frame, the third piece, designed to fit 1999 to 2004 Mustang GTs and V6s. This kit is ideal for Mustang owners who want to give their front end a clean and aggressive look inspired by the iconic Mach 1 styling. This Mach 1 style grill delete frame is designed to be installed along with Speedform's two-piece Mach 1 grill delete kit, part number 16070 on the website. This grill delete kit eliminates the factory honeycomb grill for a sleeker, more aggressive appearance. The included radiator cover complements the setup, providing a polished finish to your engine bay and improving airflow efficiency. The grill delete design highlights the running pony emblem, which is a classic Mustang touch. The combination of this grill delete and radiator cover not only enhances aesthetics, but also provides practical benefits such as improved airflow and cooling performance by increasing that airflow to the radiator. This kit is a direct replacement, ensuring a factory-like fit without any extra modifications. This grill is going to be constructed from durable ABS plastic, known for its lightweight and high-strength properties. The black finish is UV resistant, preventing fading and cracking and ensuring long-term durability with that clean look, providing a hassle-free upgrade for your Mustang. And as far as pricing goes on this, it's coming in right around that $50 price range. So this with the grill delete kit, it's actually a very affordable way to get that modified grill look. Installing this kit is a very straightforward process. It's designed to be a direct replacement to the factory components. So on our difficulty meter, this rate's only a 1 out of 3 wrenches, and you can have this upgrade complete in about 30 minutes of your time. Now let's see exactly how this gets done with an install video from one of our AmericanMuscle.com customers.
The installation of this part is pretty straightforward, and as are the tools. First thing that you'll need is a 1/4 inch drive, recommended with the short handle, a 9/32 socket or a 7mm socket, a Phillips head screwdriver, a trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver, a push pin removal tool, and a work light. Hi everybody, my name is Michael, and today I'm going to show you how to install a Speedform Mach 1 grill delete kit, the frame, on your 1999 through 2004 Ford Mustang V6 or GT. First step in this process is to go ahead and pop the hood, so let's go there. Alright, and once you've got your hood ready to go, the first thing you want to do is take out the headlights, as that makes installation much easier. And to do that, all you're going to need to do is remove the retaining clips here and here. Generally, you can just reach up, give it a little bit of muscle, and it's out. For the other one, make sure to set them aside in a place that you won't forget. And once the retaining clips are pulled out, you're just going to grab the headlight, give it a little bit of persuasion backwards. Next, you're going to disconnect the headlight connections right here. There's a tab right here. You have to lift up on. Once you lift up and pull out, that headlight will come out. And don't forget about the turn signal back here. Takes a little bit of persuasion, or a lot, I guess. After a little bit of wiggling, your headlight will come out. So again, we're going to take the clips right here and here, get up underneath them, pull up. If you find that they're not coming out very easily, you can use a flathead screwdriver to get up underneath the lip here, force it up a little bit, and then you can grab it by hand and pull it out. And just like the driver's side, we're gonna pull the whole housing out just a little bit. Reach in, grab the connector, like so, and just pull out. Same thing with the turn signal. It's right behind this little pillar right here that connects it to the body. It's right back here. But after a little bit of wiggling, the headlight should come out. Next, what you're gonna wanna do is pull out the 6 Phillips head retaining clips. This Mustang only has 5, but You'll do that with a simple Phillips head screwdriver. Now these screws can be a little tricky to get out. I recommend using a body prying tool or even another flathead screwdriver. Put it up underneath the retaining clip and then just unscrew it. This is not going to come out. Huh. Alright, let me see here. How about you? Huh. None of these want to come out. And I know I've taken these off before, but I just force it. Well, let's see if I can get it out the preferred method. Or at least give the editor something to work off of. If your Mustang's old like mine, you might just have to use the body pry tool and just pop them out. There we go. Yeah. There. The next thing that you want to do if you're removing this with the bumper still on the car is to gently pull back on the honeycomb hood, on the honeycomb grill. Gently pull this back. As you can see, there are 4 7mm bolts right here holding the grill to the bumper. What you're gonna want to do is get your 7mm or a 9/32 drive. Reach back here. Well, make sure that it's lefty-loosey. Reach back up under here. Unbolt the stock. You're gonna want to unbolt the stock grill. Now that you have the grill off, now's the perfect time to go ahead and clean up. As you can tell from mine, it has years of road grime and dirt and stuff. So let's go ahead and clean it up. Now for my purposes, I'm just using all-purpose cleaner and a microfiber towel. Alright, so the next step is to remove the 2 push pins that attach the frame to the car. They're a little hard to see. They're located on either side of the car, right there. Something like that. I'm just mangling these. Alright, now that you've got the push pins removed from this filler panel here, you're just gonna grab it and you're just gonna pull it out. I think. There we go. Alright, gonna clean the area again. One of those things you might as well do while you're in here. Alright, so next what you want to do is take your Speedform Grill Delete third piece. You're going to want to take one of your push pins, insert it back in to both sides, here and here, and then reinstall it just like the factory piece was. Alright, and once you've got your push pins in, slide this bad boy in. And once it's kind of in its home, there we go. Alright, and once you are done putting the push pins in and getting the frame into place, next thing you want to do is get your 2 retaining clips. You can either use new ones or the ones that are already on your car and just put them back into their home. You want to make sure as well that the Mach 1 frame is sitting underneath the radiator support cover, as that's how it was in the factory.
All right, well that's gonna wrap up our review and install of the Speedform Mach 1 style Grill Delete frame third piece for the 1999 through 2004 Mustang GT and V6s. And for all things Mustang, keep it right here at AmericanMuscle.com.